Alrighty, so I got back from Ollie's, and you might have seen it in the video. They actually had quite a few. They said this is probably one of their biggest model buyouts ever. Not sure about that. I think quite a few years. Might have a bigger one, but that's definitely one of the bigger ones that had different models, like different collections. So they had quite a few different versions of kits out there. I did pick up 4, which is pretty cool. So first one I definitely had to pick up was a 1929 Model A Roadster. I mean, this is a really cool kit. If you never built this type of kit before, definitely have to get this one. So if you have a local Ollie's, be sure to check it out because they have quite a few different models there, which is pretty impressive, and only $16. Most of them are, unless you get the big rig. Those are $20, which is still pretty damn cheap. So yeah, I went ahead and got this one because, you know, why not? You can't have too many of these 29 or 30 Roadsters or Model A sedans or whatever heck it is. But yeah, these are really cool, so I went ahead and got that one. The next one I picked up is I've been eyeing these split, or these, you know, sport cars type things, these dirt modified cars, you want to call it. Super stocker, there we go. I've been eyeing these things, and this one caught my eye because I've been looking for this kit because I always want to build this model that has the manifolds going into the interior. I mean, and it comes up right there. I was not so sure which car or which kit had that, and well, finally found it, and I think this would be completely different. I've never seen a car that has manifolds going into the interior and stuff. I figured pick this one up because this is pretty cool. There's a lot of parts in this thing too. I mean, it's just look cool, nice decal sheet. But yeah, so this is another $16 kit. I mean, these are pretty awesome, and I kind of want to do a few of these next year. I mean, this is pretty cool. We are gonna be doing a video later this month on some models that I want to do for next year and stuff. So stay tuned for that channel, or for that video, Matt. The next one I picked up, and we're getting to the bigger kits, is I picked up this Dragster hauler type thing. So it comes with a Dragster, and it comes with this crazy looking hauler. One of my good buddies, I forgot his name, but I'll put him on the screen. I'll put his Instagram down there as well. He has built this, and he has painted it in the Splash Paints candy color, like all kinds of candy colors. I'm not gonna do that for them, for mine. I'll probably do mine as a solid color, but he kind of referenced me, and he kind of made me want to get this kit, but I didn't want to pay like 40-50 bucks for this thing. I mean, but this is super cool. It's definitely different, definitely not really my style build that I would do, but since he kind of inspired me with doing this, and this is a $20 kit, so yeah, $20, still cheap. I mean, like I said, this is like a $50-$60 kit when it came out from MPC. I'm not sure when it came out. I'm assuming it's quite a few years ago. But yeah, so you're getting basically 2 kits in one. You're getting a Dragster and the hauler, and look at the decal sheet. Holy cow! But yeah, something different. I figured, why not? I mean, $20, you can't really complain. But yeah, so that's that. And then the last one I picked up. Now I do want to build one of these next year, and I think I found the one that I'm going to do for next year. I'm going to do a big rig. I had not built a big rig in about almost 2 years ago, so I think it's kind of due for me to do a big rig, and I want to do an overcab, like an older style, like Peterbilt or like a Mack semi truck, you know, American overcab. I didn't want to do a European one, but I think I found it. $20. This is super cool. They also had the chiller kit as well. Who knows? I might go back and pick up the chiller as well, but I do have quite a few chillers in my stash as well. So, but this is super cool. So I had quite a few of these ones I just saw in the video, and like I said, they got the chiller and stuff. But this is really cool. $20. This is like a $40 kit right here, $45 kit, something like that. But yeah, really cool. Oh, their price 73. Is that right? Back in the day, it was probably like a $40 kit. But yeah, this is super cool. I could not pass up this kit because, like I said, I want to do a overcab, like an older style American overcab kit. So, but luckily they had one, and yeah, so really cool. Look at all the parts. There's like 300 parts in these kits. Now, I will tell you, if you do want to do a big rig, and if you've never built one before, stay away from the big rig kits from AMT, because these are pretty complex kits. The instructions are kind of confusing some points and sometimes, and the kits and the parts sometimes don't fit together. So if you want to do a big rig, if you've never built one before, just stay away from AMT, because these are pretty complex kits. These kits do go together pretty good, but you do have to have quite a few built up your sleeve before you do hassle one of these, because like I said, they are kind of complex. But this is cool, so we're getting neat. So I think I scored pretty good at Ollie's. I mean, it was like a month ago on Halloween time. They had some models, they had advertisement, but wasn't that many. But definitely check out your local Ollie's this coming weekend. I'm posting this on Friday. I went there Friday after work and stuff. So make sure you do stop by your local Ollie's and check out what they got this weekend, because they have quite a few different models, as you saw in the video and stuff. But 4 definitely caught my eye, and these are the 4 the ones I got. And really cool. All these for like $70, which is pretty cheap. Really cheap. So definitely check out your local Ollie's. And yeah, but all right guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you guys next time.
Jack it up.